Croeso nôl i'r Wythnos, where this week we've seen a fiery debate during First Minister's questions, fueled by the First Minister's speech at last weekend's National Labour Conference, as well as debates tabled by various parties on key issues faced by the Welsh Labour government.
At last weekend's National Labour Conference, First Minister Eluned made a speech that referenced the rising popularity of both Reform UK and Plaid Cymru. During that speech, the First Minister referred to both parties as different poison, same bottle, which was the subject of Plaid Cymru leader Roundup's question without notice. This led to a passionate debate between both leaders as they engaged in a back and forth which made reference to Plaid Cymru's views on Welsh independence, Labour's voting record against Plaid Cymru amendments and the potential wealth tax.
On the economy, the Welsh Conservatives focused on issues such as business rates for small firms, 20 miles per hour speed limits and the tourism tax. Plaid Cymru also led a debate on child poverty where several of Plaid Cymru members called for the removal of the two-child benefit cap, the introduction of child payments and highlighted the healthcare inequalities faced in Wales as more disadvantaged areas.
Next week, expect questions to the Council General and Minister for Delivery, as well as questions to the Cabinet Secretaries for Housing and Local Government and Education. Also coming up next week, a statement regarding winter planning in the NHS and social care, winter weather resilience planning, and keeping people warm this winter. This is alongside a legislative consent motion on the Mental Health Bill, and debates on housing support for vulnerable people, and the Climate Change Committee report on NRW as part of its annual scrutiny. That's all from us this week at Camlas. Hwyl am y tro.